I remember when I was in college, teachers and seniors told that do programming. Your placement is very near. It is a very important for placement. So do programming, do coding, and all these things. People who were new to the programming, they could understand how it was difficult to write code and start programming, not programming. So that is a very struggling period. That kind of students, those were not to understand programming because they are new. They are new to the program. So at the time of facing so much difficulties, so just frustrated. How I can build my programming logical skill. So we are going to discuss in this video tips to improve your programming building logic skill. So the first tips is I am going to give you. The first one is patience and practice. Patience and practice. It is the you can say it is the key of your programming building logic skill. Why this? But why I am going to say like this? Just you imagine. You can take example, simple example. Suppose in your college in the third year or final year or second year, you have sitting your friend who know who knows programming, okay, but you did not know programming knowledge. So that time you are new in the programming point of view. They had already known all about the programming, little bit concept he knows, so he can just write code immediately compared to your so just not frustrated यार मेरा friend तो बहुत जल्दी कोड लिख रहा है और मैं I cannot able to write code. So here is the key. It is very important, patience and practice. At a time you have to keep patience. Okay. Then it is the just not a one बोलते हैं ना कि रातों रात आप ये सब चीज नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि this takes time. So you have to just keep patience and practice. Don't give up. So it is the simple key you have to follow to you improve your programming logical skill. Second one, I am going to give you theory knowledge. Theory knowledge, why it is important to know the theory. So if you're going to write the code, you have to uh, you have to just write the syntax. In every programming language based on the syntax is just the rule. Syntax is the rules to if you learn any language such as English, Hindi, Urdu, and whatever language you want to learn, before if you learning the speaking the knowledge and you writing the uh, word of the that language, you have to know the grammar of that knowledge. So theory knowledge is important. I'm not saying the only theory. Theory is just the no. Practical is more important than theory. So know the theory. Suppose you are doing the Java. So you know what is the constructor, what is the class, and what is the object. So you know the difference between the constructor, class, methods, all these things. So you can just you if you are visualize all these things, you are you can able to write a code very smoothly. So learn theory, go through the all the concept, little bit knowledge. It is very important. And the second one is very important, friends. Pen and paper. So this is the good step. If you write your program on pen on paper in the beginners, not in the advanced person. So it's from the who are just a start. to writing code, it is very very important for that person to write a pen and paper. So I'm giving one example why, one scenario I'm going to give you why I'm giving to this type of example. See, so first time you go anywhere to visit like that another city, so you do the college trip and all this stuff. So first time you go there, there is, you can imagine you go to the any other Goa and another tourist place. So just you hesitate. You will hesitate to ask something, go anywhere. Just hesitation in your mind. So it is the first time. Okay. After if you go to the second times in that place that you had done previous, so the hesitations will be minimum. Okay. Again, if you have third time, there is no hesitation. So same like that. If you are tied to the pen and paper first times, just suppose you're taking a questions and just write on the computer. If you open an ID, clips and all these things, you just write typing. It is very very difficult to the type all these questions first time. Before you practice all these things on the paper and through the pen. So after that you can able to write your program very easy. And third one is try run your code. I think it is very very important. Why I'm saying that try and run your code? You know, compiler is responsibility to run your code. Run your code through on. Make compiler. तुम compiler बन जाओ. At the time of you become a compiler. So run the code and manually you have to line by line to try and run. So first you are going to the line one of programming. uh, After that you can check the flow of the where it is going to the next flow. All the line you have to just to write your code, you have to go through that line by line. It is very very important to your the logical building. Okay. And fifth one is do as many questions as you can. Do many questions as you can. It is देखो प्रोग्रामिंग का कोई another option नहीं. जितने आप questions करोगे, so you have a lot of questions as you can know the 1000 questions, 2000 questions, just the limited way that just I said it as you can. So it is the important your limitation and your the potential. So it is very very important to the questions. जितने भी क्वेश्चन करो, आपकी लॉजिकल थिंकिंग, आपकी लॉजिक क्लिक करने की टाइमिंग, it will increase day by day. So very very important. And sixth one is regularity. Regularity. Regularity is also is the biggest factor to improve your programming building logic skill. You know, just if you are a skip, just you skip one days after you start programming. After you skip one days, then you start. It is not going to helpful you, my friends, because if you are the not maintain regularity. Okay, just you've forgot everything. So just it's not a mug up. It is not a mug up all these things. So it's just a maintain regularity, because this if you are not maintain regularity, so just skip your mind. I'm just friend, it's simple things you just forget if you're not maintain regularity. Where the syntax of the for loop, syntax of the while loop, and all these things just forward. So seventh is that go through the basic to advance. Go to the basic to advance. Some people, what they are doing, starting the hard, start the program very very hard. So it is not the way to the learn or programming knowledge, to start the very very simple and go to the very basic. So at the time of start your very basic and at a fundamental, you have to clear your fundamental. Basic knowledge is very very important. Fundamental should be very clear. After you clear all the fundamental, you have to go the advanced level. And eighth one is DSA, data structure and algorithm. So it is the just you can say to the main part of the program. So it is so data structure of algorithm, you have to go to the videos on the internet, so you find out the data structure and algorithm. So there is some, like, if you are, I'm giving example, string, uh, array, stack, all these things, the real time scenario, real time, you just correlate in the real time problem, and you can just imagine. So this is a very 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 important to your logical buildings. And and ninth one is don't see the solution, you know don't see the solution. Why? Suppose you got stuck the doing the some simple programming. Okay, open your go to the internet and show the solution. It is not helpful. If you try it 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, after that you go to the solution, it is very very good for your friend. But the first try, just open your programming. Suppose you have to write even or odd. So this number is even or odd. So just thinking how is odd. So what is odd, what is even, how to write on the pen and paper, dry run your code. uh, Simple, you just go to the basic. So all these things steps you are doing, so just I mentioned. After that you are just said that, I done my cup of tea. After that you go to the solution. And the last one is not the least, last one is the project. The project, not compulsory, but a small project you have to do, because all the things you have done, you have to apply all these things. If you're going to make a project, then at the time you apply all the things. So just you said that I know some things, I know HTML, I know CSS, I know JavaScript, I know blah blah, I know all these things. So how can you test yourself? You have to go to the project, you have to go to the real time scenario, real time work, real time problems. At the time you can apply your knowledge. Then you can understand this knowledge I have or not. So all this all all about this tips to improve your programming knowledge. Thank you.